response or tendency to respond. A belief which can be vague, illogical, but mostly irrational.
I never gave a fuck on how a next nigga felt. I rock a heavyweight belt, that's the way I felt. Still feel so inspired to write a rhyme that's ultimately no other MC could get with me is the way I felt. Don't forget the first time you heard me rhyme the way you, the first time you heard Protect Your Neck the way you felt. Like no other hip-hop record ever made you felt. Cards dealt, played my hand to win no matter how I felt.
Every time we touch the mic, you know our lyrics is worldwide, live Polaroid shit. All my homies is, and we ride out to all of our music is. Yeah, we get busy, teach the youth because we know how it give now to self-express it in the way that it's so each and every person that can recognize what they watch your mind stay, because the evil could be